Hello everyone and welcome! Let's get started installing your development environment. The first thing that I recommend for you to install is Git. This is because we will be needing Git during this course. We will be switching to different branches so that you have different versions of the application that you will use as a starting point for a given course section. Git will allow you not only to clone the repository of the course and switch to different versions of the application during the course, but also together with the Git installation you are going to get the Git bash shell that you can also install, and this is a great shell to have, especially on Windows environments, because it does not require administrative privileges, so it's ideal for installation at your computer at work. So that's another great reason for installing Git. Once we have Git in place, I would recommend next to install the latest version of Node.js that you can find. So I would not recommend the long-term support version for this particular use case, because we will be using Node mostly as a build tool, and we are going to install our dependencies using the Node package manager NPM. So it's important not to use the long-term support, but instead to use the latest version, which might be a different version that you see here depending of when you take this course, but this latest version will be the fastest version and with all the latest features. In general, the latest version of Node tends to work better with open source tools such as, for example, the Angular CLI. So together with the Node installation, you will also get a certain version of NPM. Now what we're going to do is we are going to install a Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. So during this course, all the lessons will be recorded using the WebStorm IDE, which is a great JavaScript IDE. It's available here at jetbrains.com for download. There is a free 30-day trial version that gives you all the capabilities of the latest release of WebStorm. And also, if you want another free version of WebStorm, you can always use the WebStorm Early Access Program version. So this is a version that it's going to have all the features of the next version of WebStorm. So this might also be an option for you. If you are looking for a free IDE, then in that case we recommend the Visual Studio Code IDE from Microsoft. This is a very powerful IDE, ideal for Angular development as well. We will be providing many of the shortcuts that we will be using for WebStorm during the course. Also, if you are looking for further information on Angular in general, we have here on YouTube our YouTube channel, the Angular University YouTube channel. Each time that we are recording a new course, we are releasing early sample lessons here, so it's a great way of seeing what is coming in the future, and also to see sample lessons for other courses that you might be interested in, or to learn Angular in general. So you can always subscribe here to get notified of future videos. So I invite you to subscribe to the Angular University channel to be notified of future videos. As soon as we have our Git, Node and your IDE installed, what we're going to do next is we are going to head over to the Angular University GitHub page and we are going to install the lessons code. Once the lessons code is in place, we will have a small running application and we will be starting to add security features to it. We are going to start with user management, sign up and log in. So let's get started installing the lessons code. This is coming right up in the next few lessons.